Best 3D printer. Whether for personal, professional or educational use, 3D printers are more affordable than ever. Check out what you need to know about the technology to get started printing along with the top performing model from our picks. Number 1. Dremel DigiLab 3D45 3D printer. The award-winning 3D printer, this flagship printer is Dremel's third generation and is engineered for anyone for the first-time user to advanced professional operate. Backed by Dremel's lifetime support, the 3D45 is incredibly reliable and built for heavy usage. This high-powered extruder heats up to 280 degrees Celsius for flexibility in different print materials. The built-in automatic leaving sensor adds precision leaving for even more reliable printing. Number 2. MakerBot Applicator Plus. The MakerBot Applicator Plus is engineered and tested for reliable, faster printing. The Applicator Plus prints high-quality concept models faster, easier, and with a bigger build volume. Combined with MakerBot's powerful workflow tools, the MakerBot Applicator Plus streamlines desktop 3D printing for professionals and educators. To ensure improved performance, the Applicator Plus features a sturdy construction, a 25% bigger build volume, better printing adhesion, and more. Number 3. Ultimaker S5. The Ultimaker S5, a professional-grade 3D printer, stands out for its combination of dual extruders, enabling you to print with two different kinds or colors of filament. A large dimensional printing area, built volume, easy to set up and use, and very good overall printing quality. The innovative print core system allows for simple swapping for hot end. Water-soluble supports allow for smooth surface and complex geometry. Number 4. Dremel DigiLab 3D40 Flex 3D printer. This is Dremel's third generation design for anyone from first-time users to advanced professional. Backed with Dremel's lifetime support, and 3D40 Flex is built for heavy usage while boosting reliability. Its easy-to-use features and a hassle-free setup can get your first print started within minutes. The direct-drive all-metal extruder is clog-resistant and delivers smooth 3D prints. Number 5. LulzBot Mini 2. The LulzBot Mini 2 is a versatile, high-performance desktop 3D printer engineered to deliver premium results. Compact, portable, and scalable, the Mini 2 features numerous upgrades over the original LulzBot Mini and is a perfect addition of classroom, office, and workshop. Go from outboxing to 3D printing in a minute using a quick start guide. Cura LulzBot Edition software makes 3D printing easy with pre-configured profiles for over 30 materials. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.